So, what day is it, guys?
Sunday, Easter.
Easter egg day.
And what do you guys got there?
Easter eggs.
Peanut butter cup.
I see. Well, what are we going to do with the peanut butter cups?
Eat them.
And what about the Easter eggs?
I'm not good.
Well,
Mom and me episode 2.
Mommy, what are we gonna do with all these eggs?
I think I'm gonna teach you how to make fried egg with tamarind sauce.
First step, peel the eggs, okay? How many eggs, Mommy? Time to go to the kitchen.
Hey guys, I have an idea. Maybe we can just have a dance party this week instead of cooking. What do you think? Just rock out?
No,
Dad.
Let's look at all our ingredients.
Boiled egg, cilantro, dry chili, palm sugar, light olive oil, shallot, fish sauce, tamarind sauce that you can buy at Asian market.
Or like my mom does, she could squeeze one piece of tamarind just like this.
In water. And now it's time to thin slice the shallot. And now it's time to fry the shallot.
So you're supposed to put oil in and cook it at medium and then put the shallots in and cook them until they're golden brown.
Okay, now try to drain the oil from the red shallot so it's crispy.
Mommy, now's the time to fry the eggs.
Yes, we will fry the egg like the red shallot until get golden brown.
Oh, hey guys, I totally heard there's going to be a dance party at the end of this episode.
No.
Maybe.
All right, yeah.
Okay, fry the egg until get golden brown like the red shallot. Okay, now it's time.
We can put the chilies in to put on the top of our dish for decoration. You might want to stand back for safety. To spice it up a little bit, my mom's going to speak time. I'm going to translate for you.
โอเค ได้เลยค่ะ
Okay.
เริ่มเลยไหมต้องเปิดไฟกลางก่อน
We have to turn it up to medium.
แล้วก็ใส่น้ำมะขามเปียก
First, we have to put in the tamarind sauce.
น้ำตาลปี๊บ
Then we have to put in the palm sugar.
น้ำปลา
And then you have to put in the fish sauce.
แล้วก็คนให้เข้ากันจนเหนียว
We have to stir it in the same direction until it's sticky.
ประมาณสัก10 นาที
About 10 minutes.
ค่ะ
Let's put all of these ingredients together into a delicious meal.
Let's do it first you need to cut the egg in half like this one
Dance party.
Then put the tamarind sauce on the eggs.
Dance party.
After that, put a little sprinkle of shallot, fried shallot, to be precise.
จะมีนะ
Put some chillies on for decoration. For the final touch, a sprinkle of cilantro, or whatever it's called.
In Thai we call ไข่ลูกเขย Enjoy your meal and thank you for watching us
So, you know that dance party I was talking about?
Yeah
What do you guys think? Is it time to dance?
Yeah.
Yes
3, 2, 1, let's do this!